Prepare for an insightful exploration into an investment that has been consistently producing steady earnings. Join me as we uncover the potential of Dover Corporation, a company that deserves your consideration. Dover Corporation, a global industrial machinery manufacturer, has been operating since 1955. Headquartered in Illinois, the company's diverse range of products and services serves various industries, including energy, retail refrigeration, and more. Let's delve into the intriguing aspects that set Dover apart as a potential income-generating investment. Dover Corporation stands out for its enduring stability in the business world, a testament to its consistent performance and resilience. Notably, this company holds the distinguished title of being a member of the esteemed Dividend Kings, underscoring its commitment to growth and rewarding investors. For those who aren't acquainted with the esteemed Dividend Kings Club, I encourage you to explore the video in the upper right corner. This presents an excellent chance to gain further insights into the importance of this exclusive association. One of the standout features of Dover Corporation's growth strategy is its history of strategic acquisitions. By acquiring complementary businesses and integrating them effectively, Dover has expanded its capabilities and market reach. This approach has not only enhanced its product offerings but also contributed to its financial strength and overall success. Let's go back to January 1, 2003. On that date, the stock started at $19.63. In 2003, the dividend per share amounted to $0.57. This led to a calculated dividend yield of 2.9% for the year. Fast forward to 2022, and the dividend per share had surged to an impressive $2.01. Let's crunch the numbers to calculate the dividend yield based on the initial purchase price in 2003. The result is a remarkable 10.25% yield. This significant yield highlights the enduring benefits of your investment from 2003. Over the years, you've been able to enjoy a consistent stream of passive income. All you need to do is invest in the stock, and dividends will flow into your account. What's more, the annual increase in dividends adds to the satisfaction of your investment journey. You might be wondering whether real estate could have yielded better results due to potential appreciation. However, let's take another look at that assumption. By the end of 2022, the stock's price had surged to $135.41, up from the initial $19.63 on January 1, 2003. Now, let's calculate the yield based on your 2003 purchase price and compare it to the potential gains in real estate. Absolutely astonishing, an incredible 590% yield. When we consider the growth potential in real estate over 20 years, it's essential to note that historical average annual growth rates have ranged from 3% to 5%. To provide a comparison, let's take the midpoint of 4%. If we apply a 4% annual growth rate to the initial real estate investment of $250,000 over 20 years, the value would increase to approximately $548,000. This represents a total growth of about 119%. Comparing this to the stock investment's growth from $19.63 to $135.41, which is a total growth of about 590%, the stock investment's growth has significantly outperformed the potential appreciation in real estate. And here's an additional perspective to consider favoring stocks. With the stock investment, you wouldn't have the headache of property management. The comparison I've presented doesn't include rental income from the real estate investment, as I'm focusing solely on comparing the stock's performance without factoring in dividends. This highlights the robust growth potential of the stock investment on its own. Investors can anticipate dividend payouts on a quarterly basis, occurring in the months of February, May, August, and November. This consistent schedule ensures a steady flow of passive income. Remember, to receive your dividend, invest before the ex-dividend date. For a more comprehensive grasp of the dividend payment process, watch the video in the upper right corner. Please remember, I am not a financial advisor. My role is to provide information and personal insights. Ultimately, the decisions you make are your own. However, from my perspective, industries like machinery and manufacturing, in which Dover operates, will continue to play vital roles in the global economy in the coming decades. Consider the timing and potential of investing in Dover Corporation carefully, bearing in mind the competitive landscape. Diversification remains crucial in your investment journey. To gain a deeper understanding, watch the video in the upper right corner. If you're intrigued by the idea of creating a consistent stream of passive income, I encourage you to explore the course linked in the description below. Additionally, this channel offers a rich collection of course-related videos. Simply watch this video and take the next step towards transforming your financial freedom. If you wish to learn more about generating passive income, subscribe to this channel by clicking here. Until next time.